Hello, adventurers! Welcome aboard the Traveling Kangaroo, your trusty guide for globetrotting. Today, we're setting our sights on a place of great natural beauty and rich history. A place where the air is crisp, the maple syrup is sweet, and the landscapes are simply breathtaking. Yes, you've guessed it, we're embarking on an exciting journey to the beautiful state of New Hampshire. So tighten your seatbelts and prepare your senses as we get ready to discover what makes New Hampshire a must-visit destination. First stop, the towering Mount Washington, the highest peak in the northeastern United States. Rising to a lofty 6,288 feet, this majestic mountain is not just a sight to behold, but also a playground for thrill seekers. With its challenging hiking trails, it offers an exhilarating experience for outdoor enthusiasts. But Mount Washington isn't just about the thrill. Its weather station, the Mount Washington Observatory, is known for recording some of the most extreme weather conditions in the world. And let's not forget the breathtaking views from the summit, a panorama of New Hampshire's pristine beauty that's sure to leave you speechless. In the winter, Mount Washington transforms into a snowy paradise, attracting countless skiers and snowboarders. So whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a nature lover, or a weather geek, there's something for everyone here. Certainly, the majestic Mount Washington sets a high bar for our New Hampshire adventure. From the peak, we move to a unique marvel of engineering, the Mount Washington Cog Railway. This railway is steeped in history, being the first mountain-climbing cog railway in the world. Since 1869, the railway has been offering visitors an unforgettable journey into the heart of the White Mountains. As we travel along the 3-mile track, it's not just the views that are breathtaking, but the sheer ingenuity of the railway itself. The Cog Railway uses a special gear system to climb the steep slopes, a testament to the innovative minds behind its design. Experiencing the Mount Washington Cog Railway isn't merely about getting from point A to B. It's a journey back in time, a chance to marvel at the human spirit's determination and creativity. From the coal-fired steam engines to the vintage coaches, every aspect of the journey echoes the bygone era. A ride on this cog railway is like stepping back in time. Next, we pay a visit to the Ivy League's Dartmouth College. Nestled in the heart of New Hampshire, this prestigious institution stands as a beacon of academic excellence and intellectual prowess. Founded in 1769, Dartmouth has a rich history spanning over 2 centuries, marked by groundbreaking research, distinguished alumni, and a commitment to nurturing the leaders of tomorrow. Dartmouth's renowned faculty, diverse student body, and innovative curriculum contribute to its status as one of the top academic institutions in the world. Its major contributions span across various fields from medicine and engineering to arts and humanities. Not just a place of learning, Dartmouth is a cultural hub that influences New Hampshire's culture, hosting a myriad of events, exhibitions, and public discussions. Beyond the classrooms and labs, the college is deeply woven into the fabric of New Hampshire, fostering a spirit of community engagement and public service. Dartmouth College, an institution that truly embodies New Hampshire's spirit of excellence. Moving on from the snowy slopes, we reach the serene Lake Winnipesaukee. Nestled in the heart of New Hampshire, this vast body of water, the largest in the state, is a sight to behold. Its surface shimmers like 1,000 diamonds under the sun, while the surrounding verdant forests and majestic mountains offer a breathtaking backdrop. But Lake Winnipesaukee is more than just a pretty view. It's a hub of activity all year round. In the summer, it's a boater's paradise with sailing, fishing, and swimming. When winter arrives, the lake transforms into a playground for ice fishing and snowmobiling enthusiasts. More than just a tourist hotspot, Lake Winnipesaukee is deeply woven into the fabric of the local community. Its shores are dotted with charming towns and villages, each with their unique character and history. The lake breathes life into these communities, providing economic vitality and a sense of identity. Lake Winnipesaukee, a true jewel of New Hampshire. Now, let's sweeten things up with New Hampshire's famous maple syrup. You see, the Granite State's chilly winters and crisp spring mornings create the perfect conditions for maple sugaring. This age-old process begins with tapping the majestic sugar maple trees to collect their sap. Then, the sap is boiled down in a sugar house, transforming it into the rich amber syrup we all love. Maple syrup isn't just a breakfast staple in New Hampshire, it's a vital part of the local economy. Every year, the state produces around 90,000 gallons of syrup. That's a whole lot of sweetness. This liquid gold contributes significantly to the state's agricultural income and supports many local farmers. Visitors can experience the magic of maple sugaring firsthand at sugar houses across the state. From watching the boiling process to tasting fresh syrup, it's a uniquely New Hampshire experience. A taste of New Hampshire's maple syrup is a taste of the state's sweet dedication. From sweet to salty, we're heading over to New Hampshire's beautiful seacoast, a place where the rugged charm of the Granite State meets the majestic Atlantic Ocean, creating a picturesque panorama that's hard to forget. Here, the seacoast isn't just about the sand and the surf, it's a blend of history, culture, and natural beauty that is uniquely New Hampshire. You can explore the historic port city of Portsmouth with its centuries-old architecture, or visit the iconic Hampton Beach, a destination synonymous with summer fun. For those with a love for the wild, the Odiorn Point State Park offers a natural retreat with its diverse ecosystem. And let's not forget the culinary delights. From the freshest seafood to local craft beers, the New Hampshire coastline is a foodie's paradise. It's a place where you can watch the sunrise over the ocean, spend your day exploring, and end with a picturesque ocean sunset. New Hampshire's seacoast, where the mountains meet the sea. Our journey isn't over yet. Let's explore the natural wonder of Flume Gorge. Nestled in the heart of New Hampshire's White Mountains, Flume Gorge is a breathtaking spectacle of nature's artistry. Formed over 200 million years ago, the gorge is a testament to the power and persistence of water. Over millennia, the Pemigewasset River has carved a deep and dramatic chasm in the granite, creating an 800-foot-long natural corridor that's up to 90 feet high. As visitors stroll along the well-maintained boardwalk, they can marvel at the moss-covered walls and the cascading waterfalls. The Flume is home to rich biodiversity, with ferns, mosses, and lichens clinging to the moist rock faces. The walk through the gorge is both invigorating and serene, offering an intimate experience with the ancient geological forces that have shaped our world. So next time you're in the area, don't miss the chance to witness the grandeur of Flume Gorge, an awe-inspiring destination that truly embodies New Hampshire's wild spirit. Flume Gorge, a testament to New Hampshire's spectacular natural beauty. Lastly, we delve into New Hampshire's unique role in American politics. This small northeastern state holds an outsized influence every 4 years, thanks to its presidential primary elections. The New Hampshire primary, a time-honored tradition since 1920, is the first primary in the nation's electoral calendar. This means that New Hampshire voters are the first to officially express their preferences for their party's presidential nominee. This early voting opportunity gives New Hampshire a significant say in shaping the political conversation. Candidates flock to the Granite State, hoping to gain momentum and media attention with a strong showing. The state's citizens take their role seriously, often attending town hall meetings and candidate forums to ask tough questions and size up the contenders. This tradition has shaped New Hampshire's political landscape, fostering a culture of civic engagement and close attention to national issues. New Hampshire's primaries, where the road to the White House begins. And that wraps up our journey through the beautiful state of New Hampshire. From the majestic Mount Washington to the serene Seacoast, we've experienced the best of what this state has to offer. We've skied, we've tasted sweet maple syrup, and we've learned about the importance of the presidential primary elections. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo, follow us on social media, and visit travelingkangaroo.com for more adventures. Until next time.